All right, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Thursday, July 30th, 2020, and people, get ready for an absolutely epic, wild ride in this market across the board. I want to talk about that in a second. Today is going to be something else. So here's the story. Jobless claims came in at another 1.4 million for the week. That's bad enough, but it gets a lot worse than that. We just came in with the worst GDP number in history. Way worse than anything that has ever been seen before, even looking at the Great Depression. All right, we are in a full-on economic collapse. It should be obvious to you here. And the market is poised to reflect some of that. Let's talk about it real quick here. Stocks are poised for a lower open. Cryptocurrencies are under pressure. Silver is getting hammered. Gold is down. Crude oil is lower. The 10-year yield is diving 0.54 the last time I looked at this. People, I want you to think about something. We have committed economic suicide over a virus with better than a 99% chance of survival if you catch it. I want you to think about how twisted that is. Does it make any sense to you that, and it will only make sense to you if you understand what is really behind this. If you understand why not just the economy here in the United States was shut down, but the global economy was shut down. Who has the power to do it? Well, I think you would understand why we are seeing what we're witnessing right now. I mean, it's crazy. Economic suicide over a virus with a better than a 99% survival rate. It's unprecedented, and it's a crime. It's a crime in progress. You understand? Again, let's put this into a bigger perspective. What has happened? Small businesses here in the United States, nearly 50% of small businesses here in the United States are gone forever. They're just gone. Okay, they've been culled deliberately. Meanwhile, corporate America, strong as it has ever been. So right there alone should allow you to understand what the bigger picture is. You are being made a fool of on an epic scale. Okay, the biggest lie that has ever been propagated in the history of the world is not the Kennedy assassination. It's this COVID-19 scam-demic, and you're right in the middle of it. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. So yeah, a pan sell-off. Pan. Whenever I use that word, people don't understand it. But pan means everything is about to sell off right now this morning in light of, this economic suicide. I don't know another way to put it. I mean, we've never seen anything like this, not even close, not even during the Great Depression. So for those of you looking for an economic collapse, well, you're in one. Okay. And the market, even though it's poised to fall right now, nothing dramatic, like 1% on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Is this reflective of economic suicide? Of course it isn't. And more than likely, this dip in the market is going to get bought up watch what happens next week. I would be willing to bet that the Wall Street banks, the Federal Reserve, the hedge funds that have a main line to unlimited capital via the Federal Reserve's credit facility. You remember, they can't call it debt, it's credit. Well, it is credit for them because they can just buy it all. You know, the twisting of words yesterday from Yellowstain himself, the whole thing, the charade, not one person... one of these so-called experts talking to Yellowstain, Jay Powell yesterday, asked one question that was substantial. It's all about praising the man. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Fed Chair, for taking the time out of your busy day to come and answer our questions. Are you kidding? Is this what we have devolved into? I must ask you that. Is this what has happened? Look, it's the truth. When you can fool let's just stick to here. The people in America, it's a worldwide phenomenon, that they must shut down the global economy, commit economic suicide over a virus with a better than a 99% survival rate. I mean, look, they pulled off the same thing on 9/11. They told us that 3 buildings in New York came down after 2 planes hit 2 of them. If they can convince you that these buildings free fall collapsed, 3 of them, okay, after 2 planes hit 2 of them, they can convince you of anything. And that's what's going on right here and right now. So just look, we all knew something like this was going to happen again. There's no doubt about it. And if you think this is the end, absolutely not. They will just do whatever they want to you, to me. It's unbelievable. It really is, if you put this into the right perspective and understand what you're seeing. Some people will not understand it. Some people cannot get it because they've been brainwashed to the highest order. Some people, they're very easy to manipulate when they're afraid, and that's what this whole thing is about. Keep fear right at the forefront, right here. Fear, fear, fear. Now, Fauci, I'm not even going to call him Dr. Fauci. Let's just call him The Thing. Okay, The Thing, Fauci, is talking about you should start wearing goggles now. Yeah, along with your New World Order face mask. Yeah, to protect you from the virus with a 99% survival rate. Yeah, really, you need to do that. You got to be kidding me. Unfreaking real. But that's where we are at, people, so just get used to it. So anyway, going back to this market, wild ride today. Let's see where this goes. Pan sell-off. Going to be interesting. Keep your eye on that 10-year yield. Don't know another way to put it. Watch the dollar as well. All right, we will sum this up at the end of the day. I love you a lot. That's the truth. Ponder these things. Ponder what I have discussed in this video and tell me where I got it wrong. For those of you that are going to tell me I got it wrong. It's unbelievable. Like I said, some people are just so blind. It's so freaking brainwashed. Love you. See you later.